Today, we're diving into something really special, the brand new Kia Camper Van Motorhome. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an adventure companion on wheels. If you've been dreaming about hitting the open road with comfort, style, and a rugged build, stay tuned because this beauty has it all. From the outside design to the interior luxuries, we'll explore every single detail. So, buckle up because you're about to see why this motorhome is making waves in the RV world. Exterior, front view. First things first, let's check out the exterior front view. Sleek, clean, and powerful, the vibrant white paint gives this Kia Camper Van a premium look. The signature Kia logo stands proud at the front, reminding you this isn't just any RV. It's a trusted automotive brand stepping into the motorhome game. The rugged long body sits high and sturdy, paired with bold 4x4 wheels, built to handle both highways and rougher trails. Whether you're cruising through cities or exploring wild terrains, the stance of this van makes a strong statement. Top side view now, let's move up to the top side view. This is where Kia proves it understands outdoor travel. On the roof, you've got solar panels providing sustainable energy for your off-grid adventures. An antenna ensures you stay connected even in remote areas. And of course, the AC unit sits firmly in place to keep you cool during hot summer days. From this angle, you can see how every inch is optimized, not just for looks, but for functionality, making long journeys smoother and greener. Backside view. Coming around to the backside view, Kia has thought of everything. You'll notice a neatly mounted extra spare tire, giving you confidence for long-distance travel without worry. Right beside it, there's a cycle carrier, perfectly adjusted for carrying your mountain bikes or road cycles. Whether it's a quick grocery run or a trail ride in the woods, this setup has you covered. The rear design is clean, practical, and built with adventure in mind. Side view. Moving to the side view, this is where things get exciting. Kia has integrated a retractable side tent, turning your van into a comfortable outdoor lounge. Imagine parking at a lakeside spot, rolling out the tent, setting up chairs, and enjoying nature in shade and style. This isn't just about traveling, it's about creating moments. The long body design also makes the camper feel expansive while still being sleek enough for city driving. Driving compartment. Let's step inside the driving compartment. Kia has designed it with modern comfort and safety in mind. You've got a driver-friendly dashboard with smart controls, along with two LED screens, one dedicated for rear-view assistance, making reversing easy, and another for infotainment and navigation. The seats are ergonomic and built for long hours on the road. Driving this motorhome feels less like handling a heavy van and more like enjoying a premium Kia SUV. Smooth, confident, and secure. Sitting and sleeping area now. Moving further back, here's the sitting and sleeping area. The clever design includes a sofa-cum-bed setup, so you can relax during the day and sleep comfortably at night. The materials feel soft yet durable, and the windows bring in natural light for a cozy vibe. After a long day of travel, this space transforms into your private sanctuary, the perfect mix of comfort and practicality. Kitchen. Right next to the lounge is a compact but efficient kitchenette. You've got a small sink, stove, mini fridge, and just enough counter space to whip up meals on the go. Everything is designed to be space-saving, so you're never short on comfort. Cooking while traveling has never been this easy. Imagine preparing coffee in the morning or grilling something quick while parked in the wild. That's the freedom this van offers. Washroom. And yes, even in a limited space, Kia has included a small washroom. It's designed smartly with essentials, a compact toilet, small sink, and shower setup. It may be tight, but it's enough to give you independence when you're far from campgrounds. It's a thoughtful addition that makes this camper van fully self-reliant. And there you have it, the Kia Camper Van Motorhome in vibrant white, rugged long body, powerful 4x4 wheels, and loaded with features. All of this comes at an impressive price tag of just $65,000. For anyone serious about adventure, that's value you can't ignore. Tell us, would you take this Kia on your next road trip? Drop your thoughts below. And remember, force them to like, share, subscribe, and comment.